Dash sheet's fading out. Wow, here. There's a York. High efficiency air conditioner. Yeah, it's a Copeland reciprocating compressor. Alright. Yeah. It has the G fan motor, maybe. Maybe. Okay. I know doesn't have a dash sheet. Is fading out. Okay. The condenser. Alright. There you have it, guys. There's a gas meter. There's the, yeah, there you have it, the York air conditioner. High efficiency. Dane's Cafe, but I can't tell what year it is. Comment down below. Let me know anything. Thank you. Yep, so there's the back of a yard. There's your line sets. Disconnect. Yeah, I got it with that. Yeah, see, no mash coil in it. They don't have. So there's the York high efficiency air conditioner. It's gonna be right here. Okay, so this video. There you have it, guys. Let's go inside. Yeah, that's a light. Oh, sorry. That's okay. There's the bedroom. There's the guest room. Yeah, there's the remote.